Very hot today, yeah? Very hot today.
Oh, the police is here. Yeah. Is it the summer? I guess it is. Well, I guess it's always warm. When is the rainy season?
This leaves, how much did you do myself? So tomorrow is Saturday.
Yeah.
So
Yes. Okay.
if you because we had the rice cooker.
Oh. Oh, you have ginseng.
Ginseng.
Yeah, this the
You know, vanilla in real life. I know it's expensive.
this the coffee here.
Oh.
This the vanilla.
Uh-huh.
This the flower here.
Oh, it's
And
not
the
in
success
bloom.
the pollination in the flower. Shell massage oil and it's the vanilla coffee. And it's the vanilla chocolate, the mix.
Ooh, yeah.
And this the curcuma.
Okay, this one I don't know.
And this the curcuma. And this the similar turmeric.
Oh,
Yeah, I see the
yeah,
flower.
she used that in my massage.
Yeah. And this the curcuma in here for the root. This for the here the herbal tea.
Okay, yeah.
This is good for the immune system and a sexy body.
When they're ripe, they're red.
Yeah, when they are red, they are red.
And I know banana.
Yeah, banana.
Yeah. Okay, this one is really tall.
Yeah, really tall.
Wait, what is
the,
this?
The biggest, the fruit of the banana. This is vanilla. You look at.
All right. Oh, yeah. Okay,
vanilla.
this is the leaf of the vanilla.
Did you see the?
No, where is the fruit? Oh, it's there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's up there.
Bee, and this the dancing.
Oh, these ones are friendly bees.
Yeah, this the cute.
Are these Indonesian bees?
Yeah. This is the honey inside here.
Yeah.
In here for the honey, they put the tea. This the good for.
The coffee flower looks like the
This
hibiscus
the robusta
flower.
coffee.
No, this is not the flower from the.
Oh,
From
okay.
the top. You get it.
Okay,
Not
because
the-
I was like,
Yeah.
it. Oh,
This the special animal.
Yeah, this is the we
it's a
call
cat. Is it a cat?
Yeah, this the similar cat.
Oh,
Yeah,
they're
this
sleeping.
The luwak. This for the luwak, the nocturnal animal.
Okay, Luwak. Luwak. Okay, I'll see what. Oh, they're sleeping because they're
Yeah,
nocturnal.
they're
It's
active
daytime.
During the
Okay.
day they are sleeping.
Okay, let me. Night. Yeah, she did say nocturnal. That's true. Okay.
The luwak, the
Oh no, come back. Oh, sorry. I'm trying to catch it. Oh, where did it go? Oh, that was such a gorgeous butterfly. I don't know if you can see that. Oop. Where did it go? Oop, oop. Oh, so gorgeous. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Gorgeous. Okay.
And this the sample and the pool. And this the before clean and this the after clean.
Oh.
And this is all balik hot water.
Uh-huh.
Open one by one.
Also, the luwak, the nocturnal animal, eat the coffee. Not the Arabic one, the other one. The Arabic. Oh, the both of them. And then ferments it in its stomach, poop it out. It's cleaned. Oh,
Normal coffee,
the different
Bali
stages.
coffee.
Oh.
The Arabica, those are the mixed together.
Oh, they do look different. Is this the Kurmak?
And this the galanga.
The one that was over there? The green one? No. You said one was like turmeric. I know this is turmeric. This is ginger.
Yeah, this the ginger.
Which one was the herbal tea for the sexy body? Oh, it's not. Oh, it's not here yet.
They don't have a sample here.
Oh.
We call mangosteen tea.
Oh, and I see cinnamon and star anise.
Yeah, this is the cinnamon.
Oh, and clove.
Yeah, we use
Oh, and peppercorn.
yeah, pepper and
The black
black
pepper.
pepper.
Yeah,
We
white
use
pepper. Yeah. Oh, that's how you spell the animal. L-U-A-A. Okay. Hello.
The traditional process. Let's try the roasting coffee.
I want to just hold it.
Sure. Look at me. Usually they do.
The process, the making coffee. The traditional process.
Oh, and she keeps doing it until they get dark.
Yeah, until changing the
1 kilo
color.
coffee with the roasting 1 hour.
Yeah.
Until the black color and aroma cocoa.
Oh yeah, that smells good.
1 kilo roasted, 1 hour.
Oh yeah, it's like making asham. And you they have a lot of muscles.
Yeah, it's the gym in Bali.
I see. And then it gets here. Wow. Oh, it smells. The more the process, the flavor comes out, and then to save. Yeah, that's amazing.
Powder.
This is the instant coffee.
1 kilo until 1 hour.
Tea and coffee tasting.
This for the one set testing for you, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, this for the testing and free. This for your hot chocolate and a coffee and tea. And I explain one by one in the picture. And start from tea.
You can find it.
This is a.
The rosella tea for the blood circulation. And this the ginger tea for stomach problems. And this the red rice tea for bone and calcium.
Okay.
And this the lemongrass tea for skin and influenza. And this the mango tea for your cholesterol. And this the saffron tea for your immune system and a sexy body.
Okay.
And this the hot chocolate for your happiness. And this the coffee, avocado coffee for your antioxidant. And this the Bali coffee for your head and migraine. And this the vanilla coffee for your relaxation. And this the mochaccino coffee, Bali coffee mixed chocolate. And this the coconut coffee for skin improvement. And the last ginseng coffee for the stamina.
I'm adventurous when it comes to foods and drinks, so I was not about to pay about $5 for some coffee. I don't matter how exotic it is, that's some animal that looks like a rat doodle out. The avocado coffee is so good. It's so creamy. I mean, they're all good. My favorite, I love the mangosteen. The ginger tastes like ginger. The lemongrass tastes like lemongrass. The barley coffee tastes like barley coffee. But like, I never thought pear coffee? Avocado coffee? This is good. Vanilla coffee is good, as you'd expect. They have the vanilla plant here. This is barley mochaccino. Tastes like mochaccino. Is this one? Coconut coffee. This tastes familiar too. This almost tastes like a latte.
Yeah, chocolate.
Has a familiar taste. And ginseng coffee. I want to clean my palate.
Yeah.
Hi, butterfly.
Hey, usually we have butterfly coffee. Yeah, maybe if you're not busy
Yeah,
tomorrow,
okay, yeah.
you can go there. We have butterfly coffee. Close from there. It's not far.
So good. Okay. Didn't know that this is what the leaf of the turmeric looks like. Interesting. Sorrel Rosella doesn't quite look like the one in Jamaica. But yeah. Oh, the underneath is fuzzy and the top as well. Part to protect it from the sun and insects. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah. Oh, it was just changing position. I get that. It's like being in a candy store. This looks like peanut, but it's cardamom. Essential oils. Candles. I bought some sticks. I bought the Bali flowers. It smells really good. Okay, I don't know this ginger. It's called a torch ginger. Look at the root. Well, I can't really see it, but look at that. It's really tall. This looks like papaya. I don't know. Guava. I won't be hot. I don't want to be hot for my birthday.
Oh yeah, yeah. But so you want to do the bad spirit, like for balance.